Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can edit child bill of material which is linked in parent bill of material. So first of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in production module, this is our bill of material list. I will open this particular bill of material where I need to make the changes. Once this parent bill of material is open, please check here child bill of material is also linked for belt tension adjuster. Now here I want to make the changes in child bill of material quantity. So how I can do it? Need to go on very top. You will get an option of edit and save. Click on this. Now once you will edit it, this is the parent bill of material which is being edited. Go below. Here you will get an option of expand on your left hand side. Now, for this, the child bill of material is linked. On your right hand side, you will see an option of three dot. Click on this. Here, you will need to click on change child bill of material. So this is your child bill of material display. You can also go ahead and individually make changes in that child bill of material from bill of material page. Now, on your right hand side, you will see an option of view BOM arrow. Click on this. A new bill of material page will get opened in front of your screen. This is the child bill of material BOM. On your right hand side, you will see an option of edit and save. Click on this. Now, here, the quantity which is mentioned is 1. Now, I want to make it to 5. I will go below and click on save. Please check in child bill of material, the quantity is updated. Now I need to update it in the parent bill of material. I will go back in my parent bill of material. Here, please check the quantity is still getting displayed as 1. Click on save. Now you need to go in belt tension adjuster on three dot change child bill of material. From drop down, I will select the BOM. Please check now the quantity is updated. I will click on save and save this BOM. Now, if you can go ahead, go below and check the quantity is updated at 5. I hope this video will be helpful to you while editing the bill of material. Do remember that after making changes in the child bill of material, just select the bill of material again in parent bill of material to display the changes. Have a good day.